Nancy Chu Homes presents 131 Evergreen Parkway in Glassboro, New Jersey. This adorable 3-bed, 1-bath home was lovingly maintained by one family before it was renovated, and now it's looking for its next owner. At a little over 1,200 square feet, it also has a really sizable flat backyard, as well as an unfinished basement that is perfect for all the things that you might want to do, such as storage or finishing for a play space. Glassboro itself is a really cool town. And while this home is located on a quiet street, the neighborhood is actually really close to Rowan University, the vital revitalized downtown, as well as a really easy commute to Philadelphia. Oh hey, did you know that in 2024, the Smithsonian named Glassboro as one of the coolest towns in New Jersey? Plenty of shops and good schools, as well as parks, including the very fascinating fossil park in town, make this a really interesting and wonderful place to be. Come check out one of our open houses or reach me directly at 917-992-3098. Welcome home.